Gabe. No, I'm the real Gabe. Who do we shoot? There's only one way to tell. What is 7 times 4? 28! Wrong answer. What? 7 times 4 is 28. Yeah, but Gabe does the little finger thing. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24.
Hi guys, today we're going to see what my OC would be with different colors. Let's start. I would give it a 5 out of 10. I really like the color. It's really pretty. It fits my OC, but the thing is, it just doesn't look right. Actually, maybe a 6 out of 10 because it looks really cute with it. Anyway, next color. I really like it. It's cute. It's my OC. It's really cute. I love it. Yes. I like it so much. So cute. Next color now. So my storage doesn't go out. Ooh. I like it. Blue is not really my color, but it's really pretty. Let's go on to the next color. It's alright. I'll give it like 10. Also, the other ones I forgot to rate. So I'll just give them like 7 and 8. Anyways, next color. I don't like it. It's a 3 out of 10 for me. Next color. It's not that bad. I'll give it a 8 out of 10. Oh my god, I love it, I love it, I love it. This one's so cute. This is definitely a 10 out of 10. The 10 out of 10 for me. Okay, let's go on to the next color. To be honest, I really like the color. It's nice, it's simple. So I'll give it a 9 out of 10. Sorry for the people that love black out there. Next color. Yes, it's so pretty. I love it, I love it. A bajillion. Well, billion is the bajillion is not what. A billion out of 10. I love it. It's so cute. I love it. 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 Oh yeah, I love it. Yeah, I'm a little pink bee. I'm a pink and pink and pink and deep and deep. I'm a pink baby, and I can go and dance and dance and whatever. Next color. This is a nice color. I like it. Simple and pretty. I'll get a 5 out of 10. Next color. I like this one too. I just don't understand why the eyes are green if it's all blue. Next one. Bread. I am bread. I am bread. I am bread. I am bread. I'm bread. I'm bread. I'm bread. I'm bread. I'm a strawberry. I like it. It's pretty and cute. The last one. I'm Bobby. But it's still really cute. I like it. Now, how do I change back? Ooh, what does this button do? Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe and like before you leave. Bye.
Gabe! No, I'm the real Gabe. Who do we shoot? There's only one way to tell. What is 7 times 4? 28! Wrong answer. What? 7 times 4 is 28. Yeah, but Gabe does little finger thing. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24.